Hello there, my name's Peter Bonfield and I'm the Vice-Chancellor and President at the University of Westminster. Thanks for taking the time to watch our short video on the new COVID-safe guidelines here at our university. It's all about being safe and feeling safe. We're all used to this by now, but make sure anytime you're queuing you observe social distancing. Make sure there's at least a 2-metre gap between you and the person in front. There are multiple hand sanitizer stations located across the campus. There are also several toilet facilities across the site. Please wash your hands frequently with soap for more than 20 seconds. We've also put in a one-way system in some areas across the university. Please keep moving and do not linger in circulation routes, stairwells and corridors. Good morning.
Good morning.
Across the university there are various places where you'll see screens. The screens are in place to protect colleagues and students where we need to be in closer proximity with each other. We must also insist, please, that some of our normal courtesies like shaking hands should no longer be done to avoid spreading the virus. And some of our less courteous customs, like shouting across a room at each other, will have to stop to prevent transference by water droplets. When you are chatting with friends, colleagues, students or academics, it should look something like this. When entering a classroom, it is of utmost importance that you touch your university ID card onto our Seats system. This lets us record who's in attendance and if we need to test and trace any students or colleagues who may have come into contact with someone with the virus. And remember to always wipe down the keyboard and mouse at your workstation before and after every use. Make sure you dispose of these wipes in the nearest bin after use. The university have also implemented enhanced and regular cleaning of all areas on our sites. We are discouraging lift use at this time, but if there is an absolute need for you to use one, please position yourself on the floor markings highlighted facing away from one another. And lastly, we require the use of face coverings at all time on campus. Firstly, clean your hands with an alcohol-based sanitizer or soap and water. Check your clean face covering. If damaged or dirty, do not wear it. If all is good, then place the face covering over your nose, mouth and chin, making sure there are no gaps between your face and the covering. Never touch the covering while you are wearing it to avoid contamination. When taking the covering off, first clean your hands as before, then lean forward slightly and remove the loops from behind your ears without touching the front of the covering. And don't forget to wash your hands again after taking off your covering. Thank you so much for listening. Please be assured your health, safety and well-being is our top priority. We look forward to welcoming you back to the University of Westminster very soon. If you have symptoms of COVID-19 or have tested positive or have been told to isolate, you should not attend campus buildings until your period of isolation ends. If you have been on campus and have subsequently developed symptoms or tested positive, inform your university by emailing reportcovid@westminster.ac.uk and self-isolate. Thank you.